excited to have this gun in my hands. It's a double-barrel 1911 made by Firearms out of Italy. There's just a limited number of these guns in the United States, so that makes it even more special. You might have seen this gun on the internet or read about it and seen how accurate that it can shoot 2 bullets at one time. People say that it's just a novelty gun and wonder what the practical use of it is. I hope to show tonight what it can do in a hunting situation. I'm hoping that a pig walks out tonight and that I'm able to shoot it and show how accurate that it can actually shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't believe it. This double barrel 1911, oh my god, it sure did the job. We've been hunting hard in Oklahoma and Texas for the last 2 weeks. Tell you what, this gun just shot 2 .45 caliber double tap ammo bullets at the same time, and I couldn't even feel the recoil. My adrenaline is going so much, and I'm shaking. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that we just got it done. Here he is. He might have been the biggest one of the bunch, but, you know, this double-barrel 1911 from Firearms sure did knock him in the dirt. We've been hunting hard in Oklahoma and Texas the last couple of weekends, and the weather has been hot. We've had a pretty mild summer for the first part, but all of a sudden it just amped up and it's been 100 degrees plus, and in those blinds, it's been a sweat box. But we're just trying to do our part. In the summer we try to hunt these hogs because there's nothing else to hunt, but they do a lot of damage to farmers' crops, wheat, corn, whatever. And for as fast as they breed, they're only going to be moving further north. It's just a matter of time. And so we're just trying to do a little bit of population control, and if I had a chance, I would have shot a whole lot more, but this is the one that I got a bead on, and the other ones ran off. We're going to try it again tomorrow.